the channel and welcome back to the vlog. And today we have somewhere where we gotta go to one of these meets. It's like 1,000 degrees out here and I'm about to use my favorite feature of the car. Man, it's not that special, but hold button and then it goes down just like so. I should have had the windows open from before, but I wasn't thinking. Man, just got give it a hot start. I don't even call these cold starts. I call these hot starts because it's already hot outside. And let's see if it come on with one key turn. Car's funny like that. No, not today. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it don't, but we gotta get to getting, and we out of here. Alright, cool. So finally we in the Staten Long Island highways here. All gassed up, and then we're heading towards the event right now. Not sure y'all can hear me with all this crazy wind. We're in Queens right now, and we're gonna be on here for like a minute though. But everybody's out here, man. Out here with nature, baby. So, see y'all a few more minutes. Well, a few minutes for y'all, but probably like 30 minutes for me. But we out. Alright, it is hours later. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Well, I already gave y'all the introduction already, but we out here at this Long Island car meet, and my camera is dirty. Gotta wipe this off. So, like, we are out here getting all the cars. Like, it was so many cars here. It was no way for me to park at, so I had to park my joint on the side though. But looks like we're gonna get everything. At least when it's time for me to leave, I can definitely get out though. But we out here, and let me show y'all what's going on out here though. But what's goody in the hoodie? Tell them bad bands, run them straight to the machine. Fully loaded with toe, fully loaded clips. Fuckin' with my niggas, I smoke a zip. Red eyes, then I got them toes. Tell them bad bands, run them straight to the machinery. Put the shot in me, it's for my home. $2 million cash, fucking friend. Started 6% brother. Ready to say, you know the same. Q50, but it was just like lazy. 1,000 years later, finally arriving to the crib. And there was some crazy accident on the 87. Looked like it was 2 cars, a cab and something that looked like a Mazda. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. And then on top of that, as y'all can see from earlier, the event got shut down by the cops. So it wasn't as long as I wanted it to be, but it was shy about like 30 minutes, so not too bad. And let's see what we got to munch on here. Alright, we got this and the rest of these here. Yeah, I gotta restock them from the chips though. Definitely ran out of those. But as always, if you do like the content, like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's anything else y'all want to see on there, just let me know. Put it down in the comment section. I will see y'all definitely in the next one. We out.